India and the European Union are set to strengthen their strategic relationship with the signing of a new security and defense partnership at the EU-India summit in New Delhi next week. EU Foreign Policy Chief Kaya Kallas made the announcement while addressing the European Parliament at Strasbourg in France last evening. She said the pact will deepen cooperation in key areas including maritime security, counterterrorism, cyber defense, and maritime domain awareness, with a focus on stability in the Indo-Pacific region. EU Foreign Policy Chief said Europe was ready to deliver a powerful new agenda with India, noting that the European Union is among India's largest trading partners and described the country as indispensable to Europe's economic resilience and strategic stability. Ms. Kallas said the agreement reflects a shared commitment to addressing growing global instability and protecting the rule-based international order. She also said that in a more dangerous world, they will both gain from working closer together. Bureau Report News Now.